come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Abhijit Iyer Mitra, objection किस बात का है कमरुज़मान चौधरी को? I have not understood. He's saying it's a good thing.
So thanks, Navika. Now, first of all, if 80% of the child marriages are under the Hindu Marriage Act, are Hindu marriages technically, then what is his objection? It's not affecting Muslims at all. Therefore, it can't be Islamophobia. There's a logical flaw out here. Second, I want to point out the Mumbai High Court just earlier this year declared that a Muslim girl legally marrying at age 15 is valid. That particular case is under review in the Supreme Court. So clearly the child marriage provisions do not apply to Muslims out here if the Mumbai High Court feels that it can change those provisions. I want to make the case that this is not an anti-Muslim law at all. This is an anti-obscurantist law. You look at Saudi Arabia, the Emirates, and India by comparison. The Jumma prayer in Saudi Arabia and Emirates is as short as 15 minutes. 2 घंटे का काय का ब्रेक चाहिए बाहर जाके इट इज ऑलमोस्ट एज शॉर्ट एज अ टी ब्रेक जाके पूजा नमाज करके आ जाओ Second, you know, the Saudi and the Emiratis, they allow women in mosques. In India, very few Jamaat-e-Islami mosques and Ahle Hadith mosques are the only ones that have the provision for women coming in. Why aren't women allowed into all those spaces? They will claim this is also Islamophobic. Then, in Saudi Arabia and UAE, the legal marriage age is 18. These chaps are claiming that somehow they are better Muslims than either Mohammed bin Salman or Mohammed bin Zayed. Now, if you go by Ibn Taymiyyah and the Hanbali school of jurisprudence, an Arabic interpretation is always superior to one of these convert interpretations that are not Arabs. You see, they're not native Arabs. They're essentially Turk descendants, and Ibn Taymiyyah never had a very good opinion of them. Next, you see, even if we're talking about child marriage, is there anything preventing them from application of their brain? In those days, the life expectancy was 36. Different norms apply. Today, the life expectancy is what, 72 to 76 in India, depending on which part of India you're on. Getting a girl married off at 12, 13 just doesn't make any sense. So what are these people on about? You see, even if you apply the same norms as Saudi Arabia and the Emirates do. In Saudi Arabia right now, you are not allowed to sacrifice animals at home. It has to be done at an abattoir, government certified abattoir. It can be done in the name. It can be video streamed to the house, but you can't do it there. They will claim this is also Islamophobia. These people are not Muslims. In Ibn Taymiyyah's own telling, these people are takfirs. They want takfiriyat masquerading around as Islam. They are anti-Islamic. These two who are anti-Muslim.
Boris Pathan, please respond. Please respond. Those who follow the Islam religion way more than Indians do or started doing, they have different norms. Why are you creating this interpretation of Islam that you do only for political reasons?
Well, Navika, I was just listening to my co-panelist. He was quoting Saudi Arabia, UAE and all. In Saudi Arabia, we don't have the constitution given to us by Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar. There, the law is different. There, if somebody rapes, he's beheaded within 24 hours as per Sharia law is finished. In our country, we follow the due process of law. We follow the Indian Penal Code. We follow the Indian Evidence Act. And the new law has come that is to be followed now. Now, coming back to the crux of the issue, what is the exact thing which the BJP wants to create before the nation? Or why do they want to draw the attention, divert the attention of the nation from the big point? The thing is, there's a competition going on in the country. Who is a bigger Hindu? Amongst the BJP chief ministers. Now, Yogi says, I am a bigger Hindu. Hemanta Biswa Sarma wants to prove that I am a bigger Hindu than Yogi. And how to prove that?